There was a time I would record something and never posted it, and I would sit there and overthinking everything. Is this good enough? My English is so bad. I'm not fluent enough. Do I look sound weird or stupid? What people think of me? I wasn't scared of creating, I was scared of being seen. But here is what changed things for me. I realized no one is really thinking of me that much. Everyone is stuck in their own world, just like I was. And even if someone does judge me, that has more to do with them than me. I don't post because I think I'm perfect. I post, I'm trying to grow, trying to share something that might help you, even one person, trying not to be someone I would have looked up to a few years ago. So now, when I hit upload, I don't overthink. I remind myself done is better than perfect, and progress doesn't happen in private. It happens when you show up even a little scared.